Today's recipe is fish maraq, Arabian recipe. I already fried the fish. This is coriander leaves, chopped, blended tomatoes, chopped onions, and this is our full spices, garlic, powder spices, chilies, and black lemon, and also the tomato paste. Let's start cooking. I'm using here the frying fish oil. Where I fry the fish, I'm using the same oil. Okay. First, we need to put this darsin stick, black pepper, and bay leaves. Next, chop onion. Now let's add the garlic. Powder spices, Maggi organic, black pepper, and curry. Now let's add our tomato paste. Mix until the tomato paste changes color. Chilies and black lemon. Let's add the blended tomatoes. And bring to boil. Let's check. Wow! Now let's add the fish. Add some hot water. Let's boil it again. Not too much water. See? Until cover only our fish, so that our fish maraq become thick. Wow! Now let's add the coriander leaves. Now let's add some salt to taste. Now see the maraq. Wow!